We're in the pool today. Enjoying this nice weather. Ah. You say ow. Ah. You gonna drink some water? Okay, that's enough. You don't want to get too much. Do ya? Do ya? Can you say ball?
Bah.
Yeah. Ball. Is that a ball right there? What do dogs do? Woof woof. Yeah, woof woof. Is that what Bud does? Bud goes woof woof. Woof woof.
Bah.
Ball.
Bah.
What about Elmo? Elmo? That's all that we get anymore.
Bah.
Can you
Bah.
say aw?
Bah. Bah.
Ball?
Bah.
Can you say aw like Mom and Daddy says?
Ah.
Yeah.
Bah. Bah.
Ball.
Bah.
Yeah, you just knocked the ball out of the pool. You gonna drink water out of that? You think you're a big girl, don't you? Like, was that good water? Yeah. Very sweet girl. Can you give a kiss? Yeah, that's right. Oh. You blow a kiss? Woo, go. You blow a kiss? Yeah.
Bah.
Bye. Okay, we'll say bye-bye.
Bah.
Bye-bye.
Bah. Bah.
Bye-bye.
Bah.
Okay.